Hey, welcome to Meet Our Help tutorial. In this video, you learn how to create room and secure it with a password and lobby. Step 1. Simply go to the Chrome browser and type in meethour.io. Step 2. Now, create a new meeting by entering your desired room name. Later click on the Create or Join a Meeting button. Step 3. Now allow audio and video permission to join meeting. Step 4. After creating the meeting, go to Security Options, click on Add Password and set a password to a room. Note, password set to room will be lost if you don't use this meeting room for 30 days. With this functionality, you can use the same room name on a daily basis. No need to create room every day. Step 5. On the same security options, you can enable lobby also if you don't want to set password, instead, want your fellow participants to ask and join the room. Now, let us see this in action, assuming meeting link is already being shared with your friends and colleagues. Want to know how to invite people to a meeting? Click on the link above. For password, as soon as the second participant tries to join the meeting, he or she will be asked to enter the password in order to join the room. For lobby, on clicking of Join Meeting, moderator will get a notification to allow or decline the participants. Note, in free plan of Meet Hour, everyone participant is a moderator. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour.